What's up guys, Hereba Studios here, today with a brand new video, and today we are on the second part of the series on texturing. This part will be mainly on the head, so we will be focusing on texturing the head. A lot of people have problems texturing the head, so I will go through that process through this video for you guys, okay? And I hope you guys enjoy the video and subscribe for more content later on. And if you want to, you can support my Twitter, you can support me on my Twitter and add me on Discord. Peace. And so, well, now let's begin the tutorial. Texturing. We're gonna fill in some colors here. So we'll select the front view of the face. And so we'll enable the body. Select this part of the head. Select the ears. Select here. And here. Now we go to texture paint mode. Go to fill tool. And select this. Enable this. This is important to enable, and then filling. So now we have this. Now we have the base texture. Alright, so now we'll go back to this mode. Select underneath here, and we do texture paint. I use a shadow color, so use this. I see why. On pen, you can unwrap, and let's put it here, like right here. Then go back to this part, go to texture, selected. You have the base texture set. Now you just press save, and now you do this. So now we're gonna add the detail. So I'll work with this, and you enable like the wireframe to help you as a guide, and just do this. I will do shadow, call this shadow. And now you go to texture, select the shadow color, and let's begin. Set this to 3, and we'll stop selecting this, and let's start painting. So you'll paint the nose detail here. Enable eraser, move that, add line like this, go to this, enable eraser again, erase slightly, so we have that. Now for the nose, I'll just set this to black, and just have this. This will be on both sides. Okay, so it's a little too high. What I'm gonna do is boom and boom. So you have this established for the nose. Oh yeah, this part of the nose. Okay, I now remember this part. So just remember this, and wanna go to texture paint, fill in any of this, boom. So you have it like this. And you just select this color, we're doing shadow again. And I want to go over the eye like this. Oh wait. Okay, so what you want to do is go to edit. So we do paint into there and texture. And you enable this again. I just doing this. Right. And now I want to toggle the eraser. This erase slightly on this. This erase. No, I want to erase from the above. Like this. See? Like that. And now for the lips. For this part, I'm gonna do black. And you want to just go here. You want to select here. And we fill in this completely black. So we'll do this and black. And for the teeth will stay white, and the tongue will be reddish. We'll texture the tongue later. A reddish, so like this. And the teeth, you have the teeth texture white. I went into weight paint. Wow. Set this white. And let's fill. Lock the edit mode. Select this. Select the face. Texture paint. Select the shadow color. And we're going back to adding the details. So slightly, I will just, oh, my bad. Slightly, I will just do this. This is for the details here. Okay, so beginning on the ears, what we want to do is basically start texturing the ears. I'm gonna take this off and I'll make the brush a little bit bigger, make this 50. So we just fill in this area. Basically, I want the inside of the whole ear this color, so we could erase it after to add in the details. So now for the ears, set this to line, make this line, and for the ears we'll just do some lines here. So we have inside the ears. Now for the shadow, we'll toggle the eraser, set this to 7, and start slightly erasing the areas we don't want the shadow to be in. Now we have the ears. We have the ears texture here. We're gonna add more shadow detail. We're gonna add a basic one on the draw here. Thank you for watching part 2 of our texturing tutorial, and my name is Rebel Studios. I'm signing out. If you want, for the future I might do a Patreon, and I might add my building assets, some of my assets I made during my process on Blender. Since my 5 to 6 years of Blender, I've been making a lot of stuff, so I could post it up on my Patreon for you guys to view if you want to. If you want me to do a Patreon, you could comment down below Patreon if you want me to do a Patreon, because I've been skeptical about it and thinking about it, but hopefully you guys want that. Hopefully you guys want to see me have a Patreon. And yeah, other stuff, well, after the texturing tutorial, I might do mini series in between the texturing tutorials. So I'll do like tips and tricks, some videos on character design, and I might do a video on shaders. If you want that, if you want me to teach you guys to do a painterly shader or any type of shader you want me to do, I could do mini series for that as well too. So thank you for watching the video, and goodbye.